Magic Friday. And now, ladies and gentlemen, for my next trick, I'm going to show you one of the most amazing magic tricks. The deck of cards. Check it out. This is how it goes. Watch. All you do is show them the cards front and back. And all you do is just place your cards, not exactly, but about right over here on the tip of your hand, and just blow on it. It stays suspended. Isn't that cool? It stays suspended completely. And all you do is just grab one card from the back, one from the front, and it still stays suspended. Whoa! Check it out. All you do is just place it like so, right on the tip of your hand. Concentrate. Stay suspended. Isn't that cool? You can even grab the card in the back, like so. Pull it right out. Completely. You can take out the one in the front. Completely stay suspended. It's a really cool trick. It's completely suspended. Nothing holding it. And all you do is place the cards back on over here and show them the cards, and they're completely regular cards. Alright, before I show you the secret and how to do this trick, I want you to give it a thumbs up if you like the trick so far. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. Anyways, back to the secret. And now for the secret. Here's the secret. Watch. This is how you do it. Watch. Check it out. Show them the cards front and back. Check it out. Nothing here, right? And you can even take out a card from the back and you can see it's completely stays suspended. Here's the secret. Isn't that cool? It's really easy to do. And all you do is you go like this. Place the card. On the back, you're going to place one card as you place them right here. And you're going to, from this side, you're going to balance it. But if you look on this side, you can see there's a card behind there. Really cool. Easy to do. Hope you enjoy and have fun.